Dear students, good morning. In the previous class, we discussed isometric views, isometric projections for the planes. For this class, isometric view and projections for the solids. I am considering a prism first. So, prism base edge length 40 mm, height 60 mm. For that one, we will draw the isometric view, isometric projection. First, I am drawing isometric projection. So, I am drawing a isometric projection with the help of isometric scale. So isometric scale representation. So true length line OC, OB is going to be isometric length line and 30 degrees with angle with OB, 45 degrees with angle with OC. Now we have to consider isometric projection means reduced length. So base length is how much? 40 mm. So 0 to 4. Now I will consider uh, 0 to 4 dash, 0 to 4 dash, 0, 0 to 4 dash. OB line, on OB line I am taking 0 to 4 dash, locating on OX by using a compass, this measurement on OX, this is its length. Now its width also 0 to 4, 0 to 4 dash, same length 0 to 4 dash. Now I am naming this bottom side ABCD, A, B, C. Passing through A point, draw a parallel line to OZ. Passing through which point? A point, draw a parallel line to OZ axis. It represents BC, exactly 0, 4 dash. Similarly, passing through C dash, draw a parallel line to OA. After getting this rhombus ABCD is going to be prism base. What is the prism height? For 60 mm. So 0 to 6 is going to be 60 mm. 0 to 6 dash is going to be isometric length. I am considering 0 to 6 dash length from D point. From D point I am locating this distance 0 to 6 dash by using a compass. Now from B point 0 to 6 dash. Got it? Now from C point 0 to 6 dash. Now from Cth point I am drawing a parallel line to OY. This length is 0 to 6 dash, 0 to 6 dash, 0 to 6 dash. Got it? Similarly, from 8th point 0 to 6 dash, line passing through A point parallel line to OY axis. What is this length? 0 to 6 dash. Isometric projection length. Now A point base and this A point is going to be opposite to base, naming it as a 1. B point 2, C point 3, D point 4. Now you have to join all the respective points 1 and 2 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 1. This is isometric projection of a prism. Now I am erasing this portion, this portion also. 2D is vertical edge, vertical edge. So B2 is existing backside of, now B2 is going to be visible, B2 is going to be visible, and 4D is going to be exactly backside. It is not going to be visible, it is not going to be visible. So now the isometric prism is going to be looks like in a vertical condition. Isometric projection of a prism is going to be looks like in vertical condition. Now I am going for isometric view. This is isometric projection only. Now I am going for isometric view. Isometric view. So I am representing with OC is a black line, so therefore I am constructing with black color. OC is how much? 60. And OC line height is 60. And OB line and OC line base is going to be 40. True lengths. Now on OX, this is going to be A, B. True length B, C. True length. Now passing through Cth point, draw a parallel line to OX. Draw a parallel line to OZ passing through OZ. Now this point is O. Base is completed. So from 8th point, draw a parallel line to OY of length 60. From OC 60. Got it? Similarly, from B point 60. Now this is the concerned D point. From D point it is going to be again 60. 60 on OY axis. OY axis. This is 60. Now with respect to 1, with respect to A, 1 with respect to B, 2 with respect to C, 3 with respect to D, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1. Now this is going to be isometric view of a given square prism. Remember that when you have to show the isometric view, isometric projections, you have to use capital letters of A to Z. A to Z. And numbers is going to be little bit bigger. Can you understand? Isometric projection, reduced length, isometric view, original length. Thank you.